Well, I think it's been almost over a year since I posted an adventure bus update video, and I think I'm still recovering from the last one, so make sure you help me out and like and share this one. So of course I have been on a few adventures since the last video that I did post about the maintenance, and everything so far has gone well. But in today's video I'm heading to my cousin's place in Langdon, Ontario to give this bus a paint job, or as they say, livery. And of course, before any road trip, the first thing you gotta do is fill up on snacks. Well, now that that mission is accomplished, it's back on the road. My cousin's got the perfect spot to be able to paint this bus. He has a long line of cedar trees, which I'm hoping, if there is any wind, is going to help block said wind. So I didn't really film much after I got there. Pretty much loaded up the fridge, went to bed, woke up the next morning, grabbed a coffee, and started to paint the front of the bus without filming any video. So I think after I had a few coffees, I realized I should probably start filming some of this. So as you can see, I'm spraying the side of the bus in this gray color, and then I'm going to spray or paint the top of the bus a blue color. So the idea here is kind of mountains and the sky. And then once that's done, I'm going to overlay one more time with a green that I'm going to kind of paint some trees and things on and see how that turns out. So today it's going to get its two tones, gray and blue. And of course that's about all I filmed. So as you can see, it was back at the yard, and then this is the bus in the wild. Just had a little adventure me and the kids went on, and as you can see, it's raining and the paint is holding up strong. So the next step, of course, was the mountains, and I was forever trying to figure out how to do this. And the best option I could come up with was taking a projector over to the bus at nighttime and projecting a picture of the mountains on the side of the bus, tracing that out, and then coming back the next day to paint it. So these are the results from my tracing job the night before, and I think my mountains turned out pretty good. Pretty much exactly how I wanted them to. So the next thing was trees, and well, I really had no idea how to do these, so I just kind of started with one stick and then some more sticks on the side, and I got this. I think it turned out pretty good. High five me in the comments below if you like my trees. So the last thing I had to get done before I went on a major road trips with this bus were the tires and rims, because as you can see, they're pretty rusty and checked. So here we are, rolling in the new tires, and to give the bus a nice look, I went with white rims in the back and aluminum rims in the front. And I'll tell you, I cannot be happier with the results of this paint job and the new wheels. So I'm super excited to share my upcoming adventures with you, so make sure you head down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, smash that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there.